Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, my friend. Today I'm gonna tell you how to make a chicken tahari. Chicken tahari with chickpeas, and probably some people they don't know what is a chicken tahari. It's chicken tahari with the chicken and the rice. We make cook together. So first I'm gonna prepare for chicken, and then I'm gonna make the chicken tahari in oven. So I'm going to start this. Okay. First thing, I put a pan which I'm gonna use for this, and switch on, and I'm gonna put some oil in there. Let this oil to get warm up, and need to use some more oil in there. Okay, but I use first about 4 tablespoon oil in there. Okay, I got about 1 onion which I chopped it. I cut onions in small pieces. And I'm gonna put some more oil in there, and about another 3 tablespoons. And now leave this onion to get brown. Okay guys, now it's become a little brown. Okay, now I'm gonna put 1 spoon garlic in there. It's a teaspoon, and 1.5 spoon I got ginger. Mix this. Now I'm gonna put some chopped tomatoes in there. It's about 200 gram chopped tomatoes. About half a spoon I'm putting turmeric powder. Now about 1 spoon black pepper. I got 3 spoons salt. I got 1 spoon cumin powder, and 1 spoon I got red chili. Okay guys, this stage I'm gonna put some water in there. So otherwise gonna start burning. And now I'm gonna put 1 spoon of garam masala. I will mix this. Now I'm gonna start putting chicken in there. This is tahari is a traditional dish, and it's been cooking for a long time. But tahari you can make with vegetables, you can with meat, you can make with the chicken. So a lot of people, they make a different way. And it's just like you can say a little bit pulao and a little bit biryani mix up together. I'm gonna fry this chicken a little bit in there, the masala, and then I'm gonna put water in there. Now on this stage I'm gonna put some lemon in there. Okay guys. Mix it again. And slightly pinch of I'm gonna put mix herb. And I like mix herb mostly in my all cooking. It give you nice taste and give you nice smell as well. Now I'm gonna mix some water. And I'm using boiled water. And I need this sauce with a watery, not like a thick one. Okay guys, and I leave this for cook for a little while. Okay guys, chicken is more than half cooked. Okay, now on this stage I'm gonna put some chickpeas in there. It's already, the chickpeas is boiled. You can put peas with that as well. So the peas is nice as well in there, but chickpeas is nice as well. Okay. Coriander. Okay guys, I'm using this foil tray, disposal foil tray, and I soak this rice before I start cooking for our 1 hour, or nearly 1 hour. So it's help you to cook quicker, and it's make rice bit longer as well. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this rice all over here. I've got my chicken, so I'm just gonna put this all over on this rice. This chicken is about 75% is cooked. They will be very nice, delicious. Believe me, you will enjoy it. Okay guys, now this all I'm gonna put all over here. Okay guys, okay, now I'm gonna put some water in there, just put it from side. Okay, now I'm gonna cover up with foil. So nicely with the foil. Yeah? Okay guys, now I'm gonna put this in the oven. Okay, and it should be on 160. So see you in half an hour. Okay guys, this is ready. I just taken out, so you can see. I look at this guy. Is it beautiful? This is my dish ready with chicken, chickpeas, and with the rice. It's called Tehari, and some people they say this can plow as well, but you can make a plow similar way, but this is tahari. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out in a dish and I will show you. Okay guys, this is my dish, tahari, and it's chicken, rice and chickpeas, and I made in an oven. So what do you think, friend? It's very nice, delicious, and smell is very nice. If you like it, give me feedback in comment section, and you should try it. It's very nice. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.